In this short tutorial video, you will learn how to find coins where price has recently crossed above the 200-day moving average. 200-day moving average is considered an important indicator of long-term price trend. When price moves above the 200-day moving average, that is considered a very bullish signal that the coin is entering an uptrend. 200-day moving average can also often act as a resistance level if price is approaching it from below, or as a support level if price is approaching it from above. In this example, we are looking at the technical analysis of Helium, symbol HNT. Price broke out of a channel down pattern, which could signal a bullish trend reversal. But as you can see, price is so far unable to move above the resistance level formed by the 200-day moving average around the $1.53 level. Price has gotten rejected several times as it approached that key resistance area. So what we want to do is create an alert that would notify us when price finally does break through that resistance area. That could signal that buyers have finally absorbed all the supply from sellers around this level, and the price is ready to move higher and enter an uptrend. First, we create a custom filter that finds coins where price has recently crossed above their 200-day moving average. You could save this filter for future reuse. You can also create an alert for this signal. Next, we narrow down our filter criteria to only include Helium coin, symbol HNT. Now, we create an alert from this filter. That's it. You're done. You will receive notifications and emails when price of Helium coin crosses above the 200-day moving average. You can manage your alerts in the alert section. Thank you for watching and learning. Good luck trading.